Hey guys, it's me, back on HNG, and today I'll be shooting a video on how to make an easy paper scary doll. So this one's going to be based off of Coraline, the animated movie, where the dolls were turned into, the people were turned into dolls with button eyes. So were they turned into dolls? I can't remember, but I'll be making a doll either way. So first off, we are going to start with the face. So let's just take a little bit of this pink A4 paper, just a little bit. So now I'm going to be drawing a face of probably like Coraline's face, just like that, enough to fit two button-like pictures, diagrams in it. Should I actually put buttons in there? I doubt I should. I don't think I'm going to do that. Either way, here's our Coraline. Now flipping over and folding up, we get this face-like structure. Alright, so let's quickly draw on it using our marker. I think I'll need something other than my black marker. I need to find alright, there it is. My trusty white pen. That way I can simply let's never mind. So first off, let's make two eyes. Like that. Then let's use our skin tone Morin to make the nose and nose ridge, like this. Then we'll use our trusty vermilion to make the face dots. And then we'll use this darker tone to make the eyebrows. And the lips. Maybe some more vermilion. Actually, let's do some red for the lip colors. And some more darker tones right there. I think that's about it. We could add a little bit of shading down there. Now we will be using our white to make the button eyes seem like button eyes. Slightly cross them out, just like that. And using my fingers, I'm going to blur it a little bit because I don't want it to be too dark. As a matter of fact, let's just use some more black. Alright, that's our face, right? That's our doll face. Pretty cool, pretty quick as well. So, where did my scissors? Okay. Next up, let's add the hair. Now this one's gonna be a bit tricky, I bet. So what should I do? What should I do? Need Alright, so we've got this. Now we obviously don't need. Let's trace it out real quick so we can actually work with it properly. So we obviously don't need that area right there. Just like that. And we obviously don't need actually we do need these. It'll just make them look a bit more hair-like by cutting it off at places like this. This side as well. Alright, now what I'm going to do is put the head in there. I can't tape it, it'll look too bad. I don't care, I'm going to tape it. It's a horror thing either way, so. Nothing will happen if it's not aesthetic. Now finally, just fold the hairs like this. And once at the corners again. Alright, there's our head of the button-eyed doll. You could tape it at the back as well, so the hair doesn't let out. Just like that. And now, next step, we are going to do the, what's it called, the raincoat. Maybe just like the one where boy from It wore. Okay, so I want this character to be pretty long, if you know what I mean. So I'll be using a raincoat that is pretty long as well. Maybe this long. off the extra bits, you don't need those. And then I'm going to sort of like make a slice right down the middle as well, just to make it look like it's an actual raincoat and not something stupid. Alright, at the top as well, give it some little folds like that. This is very jarring, but it's pretty fun. I think it's gonna look pretty good once it's done. Now, I like the idea of a flimsy head. It just adds to the freaky factor. But this one's a bit too flimsy. I don't think I like it that much. So let's just move it a tad bit below so it's less flimsy. And to ensure that it's less flimsy, we have to put some tape below the head, like that. Alright, so far so good, I believe. Now with this remaining piece of yellow paper, we are going to make the arms. Thin arms. So let me quickly finish the arms and the legs and I'll see when it's done. Alright, so I attached the legs as well. The legs aren't anything, I just slid them through there and modified the back to make her look a bit slim around the waist. That adds to the childish appearance rather than having the raincoat entirely cylindrical. Gives it more natural vibes, I think so. So anyways, here's our doll. Looks pretty creepy enough. From the back, not so much, but from the front, it does look fear-inducing, if you know what I mean. But that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, watch it, do my next videos, and share my videos. Thank you, bye bye.